In this video we're going to look at drawing tangent lines, specifically lines tangent to circles. If you're in my DDE class, this is beneficial for multiple drawings, but specifically for CAD Object 8. So I have two circles that make up part of my object, and so I'm going to grab the line tool, and because it wants to potentially snap to specific parts of the drawing. So this is a quadrant snap, this is the nearest, so it has all these points it wants to snap to, but I'm specifically looking to snap to it at a tangent point. So I'm going to type tan, and this is the symbol, that line against a circle. So I can really click anywhere, but I know I want the line to come from the top of my object. So I'm going to click the top of my circle, and notice wherever I'm pulling it to, it's going to stay tangent, meaning it's going to connect with that circle at one and only one point. Now, I also want this line to be tangent to. Notice if I were to click this quadrant, it's hitting the circle at 2 points. So I'm going to type tan, enter, and I'm going to click that. And notice it made this tangent line. So I'm going to grab that again. I'm going to grab tan, and I'm going to click down here. And notice it wanted to pull from the top of the object. So where you click on the circle can impact how it is going to connect to it. So there are two tangent lines, and then I would be able to trim those. So that's one way to use tangent to form lines and make the smooth exterior of an object using circles to specify specific sizes of that object.